So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 13 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that I've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. And then in the middle, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 53,068. You'll see we have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed there. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, so we have various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information available to us, but there are other menus available as well, and you can see me cycle through those just there. And to do so, I was using the buttons over here. We have stereo controls there, which continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front speed. Over in the centre, we then have the main touchscreen for the car. So, firstly, we're on the radio menu at the moment. You can see we have DAB, FM and AM radio available. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button. And you'll see there various ways to listen to music, including Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls, you can also stream your music wirelessly once you paired your phone, which is done by hitting the phone button and following the instructions on screen from there. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. The air conditioning's on at the minute, so it's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set over here. And then underneath that we have some storage, which includes our media input just there. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. Next to which we can turn the parking sensors on and off. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. And this button here will change the driving setup of the car from normal to sport, eco or individual. And under individual, you can customise the settings shown on the screen. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.